Hi, my name is Imran. I'm from School of Electrical and Data Engineering. Gentlemen, most of us use various technical gadgets such as CCTV cameras for monitoring of our homes, sensor networks or wireless sensors to monitor health data, smartwatches for various applications, smartphones mainly for financial transactions, smart TV for entertainment. Now once these devices, they are connected to internet, they are called as Internet of Things. They do make our life easy, but have you ever thought that is it secure? No, it is not. Why? Because IoT devices are vulnerable to various attacks, such as physical compromise, which can result into node cloning and firmware changes. And even a message traveling on the network is vulnerable to eavesdropping, modification, fabrication, and replay attacks. More so, even a hacker can hack into the system and he can launch a malware attack. It can steal your data. It can cause damage to your devices. More so, he can turn your devices into bots and launch a botnet attack. Even the cloud supported IoT system, it has certain weaknesses. Cloud has to be a trusted party. It is vulnerable. It provides a single point of failure. And your data being stored in cloud is vulnerable to data manipulation, including modification and censorship. So question arises how to protect IoT systems against data and device integrity attacks. So here comes the topic of my research, that is use of blockchain technology for IoT systems. What is blockchain? In blockchain, every new block is connected to previous block. The blocks contain financial value, can contain user data, or any arbitrary message. Now the state of this complete blockchain is stored on or replicated on multiple nodes, which is a peer-to-peer network. So why blockchain? It is a decentralized network, it avoids single point of failure, it is unforgeable, it provides a trustless operation, and it has inherent cryptographic security such as transaction integrity, transaction authentication. But what's stopping us from implementing blockchain as it is in IoT environment? There are certain issues like scalability. The more number of nodes join the network gets bigger, the size of blockchain increases. The latency in transaction confirmation, high energy and communication costs, lack of consensus finality, and thus which can result into blockchain forks or diverging of blockchains, which is not suitable for IoT environment. So these issues have to be resolved before blockchain can be used in IoT.